This video will show you how to create an account and set up your profile. From the hamburger menu up top, click Hello Guest. If you're a returning guest, add your email address and password and click Login to Festively. If you're brand new to Festively, click Register Now, and you'll be added to this welcome page. Add your name, first name, last name, email address, password, confirm your password, and click I'm not a robot to validate who you are, and then click Create My Account. Next, check your email because you will receive an email asking you to activate your account. Be sure to check your Promotions tab if you're in Gmail or your spam just to make sure that you received the email. To activate your account, please click here. You'll be redirected to the login page where you should receive a notification saying that you have been activated. Then go ahead and log into Festively. Next, you'll want to set up your profile. To edit your profile and preferences, come here to the hamburger menu up top. Under Account Settings, you'll have a few options to select. Start with Edit Profile. Here you can add a display name, so you can use a shortened or nickname instead of your full name. Feel free to add a little bit of information about you if you'd like, and you can change your photo. So for me, I will choose this lovely photo. Next, set up your preferences. This is an important step because this will ensure that you receive text notifications and email notifications regarding any purchase or transaction on Festively. So be sure to toggle these first two buttons on. Also, if you'd like to receive offers and messages from your favorited showrooms or receive our newsletter, feel free to toggle these on as well. Next, set up your address. You go to My Festively, My Addresses. Here you can add a new address and phone number. This is the opportunity for you to help make sure that your searches give you information that is relevant to your location. You can add your phone number, which is actually an important step to make sure you get text notifications. So let's go ahead and add that. Add your address. And zip code. Designate if this is home, work, or other. You can actually designate several addresses. So for example, if I wanted to create an address that was for work, I can add one here. For mom's house, anything else. When you actually make a purchase, you will be asked to select which address you want to send your package or your delivery to.